I'm going to be showing you how to edit Strava activity. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. Make sure you're in the app first. And once you're in the app, what you need to do is go to the U tab. So the U tab is right next to the group. Just go ahead and tap here. And through here, you can find your activity right next to your progress. So just go ahead and tap there. So after you're here, what you need to do is you need to open the activity you wish to edit. So just go ahead and open it. And after you're here, you just need to look at the top right where you can see the 3-dot button. Just go ahead and tap here. Now you have the option to add media, edit activity, crop activity, and many more. Just go ahead and tap on edit activity. So after you're here, just edit it. You can add pictures if you want. You have the activity tag. You have other options to say how it feels. You can change the map type if you wish to. And in all of these ways, you can successfully edit Strava activity. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.